Hi, my name's Megan, and I'm an education coordinator for the Galveston Bay Foundation. Today we will be delivering wetland habitats to local schools for our Wetland Connection program. Come check it out. Wetland Connections is a year-long program where 6th to 12th grade students participate in a variety of classroom STEM workshops where they will learn about the different bay animals, environmental leadership, and how they can help their community and wetlands. They'll also come out with us to a spring field trip to experience and study a wetland. This year we have 17 schools participating, and they're all over the Houston-Galveston region.
So the things that are valuable for me as a teacher are the experiences that my kids are able to have. A lot of them, they're not going to leave the Pasadena or Houston area, so just being able to bring them down to Galveston and educate them on the wetlands and just what goes on and why they're important to us is really important. Certain organisms and animals are going just threatened and extinct because of loss of habitat. So having them learn more about the wetlands and why they're important is so great.
What do I think my students will enjoy most? Not the getting dirty part. They do like to be clean, but they have really been enjoying learning about the different water quality parameters and also how the effect of the environment that it has. So as a teacher, coming up with content and being able to fill a week with not just material, but material that's engaging for the students. So something that's going to get them active and thinking, anything that they can actually put their hands on is hugely beneficial to any student. Because now that they're using their hands, they're so much more engaged and they actually want to learn about what they're doing without even realizing it.
Last year we had a student say that wetlands at the beginning of the year, she thought they were muddy, bug infested, which they can be, and stinky, but then at the end of the year she realized that they are beautiful and they're full of life. So seeing that change is really exciting. For any schools looking to participate in Wetland Connections or any of our other education programs, we offer a variety of STEM, hands-on workshops and field experience that are all aligned to TEKS. And they allow you to bring in place-based education to your classroom where they're learning about what's around their ecosystem in their home right here.